Good morning guys! So I have this recent purchase that I got from Shopee. One is a cleaning material, that's for sure. So tara, i-open natin. Super excited kasi ngayon na lang ulit ako mag-unbox. Kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nabili online. This is the item. What? So color blue siya na wall mop. So you got this, tubo. So, isa pang handle niya. And this is the item. Wala lang siyang extra cloth. I think you need to buy the extra cloth if you want to. But pwede mo naman siyang labahan. 3 pieces all in all. We have our wall mop. So, kailangan ko to be able to reach yung mga matataas na area. Para hindi na tutungtong. This is what I'm going to use for my walls. Tara, i-demonstrate natin. So, pag malapitan kasi, as you can see, merong mga parang maduduming part na yung wall ko. So, kailangan ko na siyang linisin. Kung nabasa ko na siya, it's already wet. Nilagyan ko na ng konting soap. So, the reason pala na nabibento kasi hapit na hapit here. So, kapag ginanon mo, then saka mo matatanggal yung cloth. O, diba? Ang taas na nare-reach niya. I'm 5'3" by the way. So, I'm 5'1". Wait. Anyways, hindi ko na siya ma-0.5. Pero, yeah, this is the reference. Let's try. O, diba? Abot na lang sleeve. Without using any chair. That's the time nag-tilt mo ito. Like this. Next. Okay. Then the other one. Tara, hugasan na natin. So, wash na natin. So, yan yung mga dirt na nakuha niya from the wall. So, yun lang guys. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!